explain the bird situation here. Uncle Eld was off to the right of Joey, I was off to the left of Joey, and the bird came right up the middle. It only took 2 calls to get him in, maybe 3.
3/4 inch spurs.
Joey blew the beard right off of him. Hold that up for the camera.
Not bad.
Okay, he's had a nice 11-inch beard, I'm assuming. We might get 11 out of that. Well, stretches about 9. And the beard's now kind of thin. There's a big pile of beard laying down off the lower field back towards Bull Creek and came right up the hill to us. So that was the only gobbler we heard. Today's Saturday, the last Saturday of the season. I got my long beard on Tuesday. Uncle Al missed his last week, but we're going to see if we can't get him one today or tomorrow. Monday, it's the last day.
Here we are. As you can see in the video, got one. Recoil the gun, set the camera, closed the lid, and then turned off right as I shot. But here's what we came out with. Long beard. As you can tell, the beard's a little skinny. I accidentally blew about half his beard off. But I have the other half in my pocket. But it's about good 11, 12 inches. Weighs about 20 pounds, I figure, and then little sharp spurs too. So, pretty good altogether. Tagged out, let's see, last Saturday in Pennsylvania. It's turkey season, last day is Monday. So, alright, good season.